Good afternoon, students. How are you doing? I hope we are all fine. Regarding the corona outbreak or the COVID-19, we are still trying to reach our students in one way or the other so that we have to keep them updated of what is actually going on and also to encourage them to stay close to their various notes. Don't keep your notes very far away from you. Continuous studying is very, very essential because you never can really tell when they are calling off this lockdown. So for the reason why I'm here is to actually give some online tutorials regarding to YouTube, because when you go to our platform, discover that YouTube is one of the vital web application we are using at the moment. So I want to quickly enlighten us on how to go about it so that you don't have any challenges on whatsoever you want to do in the YouTube. So let's start. What is YouTube? We are going to cover what YouTube is all about, what is a web page, and how to download video from YouTube, which is very, very important. How to download video on YouTube so that you don't have to go to YouTube every time to be accessing your information, and because of doing that, your data will be consuming. So that is the primary purpose why I decided to set up this tutorial. So number one, what is a YouTube? A YouTube is a website where videos are stored. A YouTube is a website. All of you know that the major things we do in YouTube is to actually have access to videos where we can gain one or two information, vital information. So that is the purpose of YouTube. It's a website where videos are stored. So what is a website? A website is an online platform consisting of different web pages offering various functionalities. You understand? That is a website. It's an online platform consisting of various web pages offering different functionalities. Now, that is number 3 is how to download video from YouTube. How to download video from YouTube is this area you should be very, very concerned about, because it will help you a long way even when you are in this stage now and when you get to higher institution. This how to download YouTube is going to be very, very helpful. So listen and pay attention. The very first step we have is open a web browser such as Google Chrome, UC browser, Opera Mini, Firefox, etc. All these are web browsers. Open any of the web browsers, the one you feel that you use better, the one you feel that you are more convenient with to work with. Open any of the web browser. Then 2, copy a YouTube video link in the URL or address bar of the browser and paste and search and let it display the video. You understand? So you now copy the video you are interested to download now. You copy, you select and copy it, and copy the link or the video. Take it to that web browser you already opened. Take it to the address bar, which is found at the top of your mobile phone. You understand? In that browser, inside that browser, the web browser, you should know the address bar where you have to place the link. Just copy and paste it there. Then 3 is change the link, e.g. https://www.youtube.com/ you will see something like this actually. Even though it's not exact same thing you see there, it's something like this you will see. So what will you do with this link? Something like this is called a link. This is a link. You understand? That's why when I'm asking you to click on a link, try to understand that I'm referring to something like this. You click on it. When you click on it, you edit by adding this double S. You understand? Change the link, e.g. http, take for example, you have this link there. Now you want to start downloading the video. Just only add this SS before this Y here. Add this SS before this Y here. When you add the SS before the Y, press continue on your keypad or this sign, in your phone. in your phone, they can either provide you with continue or send, or you are going to see this sign beneath your keypad. Beneath your keypad, you click on it. Now you now direct you. After about 10 to 20 seconds, you now click on the download beside the preview video. After about 10 or 20 seconds, preview will now come up. Preview of the probably of the teacher, of the instructor teaching you. You now display. You now click the download by the right side of that preview page. So your downloading on YouTube will start. So that you, after saving it on your drive, you can always revisit it or read it without going back to YouTube, which is always going to be consuming your data anytime you are watching video on YouTube. So this is how you have to go about downloading of YouTube, and I believe it's going to help you in a long way. Thank you.